Which of the following statements about project constraints are true? And be careful with this. This is actually saying statements and are true. So there's an opportunity here for there to be more than one correct answer. Our options are A, the three constraints of time, scope and quality are referred to as the project triangle. B, increasing the quality of a project will usually lead to higher costs. C, in an urgent project, using more resources will tend to shorten the duration and the cost. D, where the scope of a project is increased, this will tend to reduce the timescale. So think about these one at a time. The first one, the three constraints of time, scope and quality are referred to as the project triangle. This is true. These are the main three constraints that will affect a project. B, increasing the quality of a project will usually lead to higher cost. And although this isn't always the case, you do have the word here, usually. If you want to have better quality material, if you want to have more skilled staff, it will usually lead to an increase in your outflows. So that is true. C, in an urgent project, using more resources will tend to shorten the duration and the cost. And although it's true that it will probably shorten the duration, it's probably not going to decrease that cost. So that's not correct. And finally, D, where the scope of a project is increased, this will tend to reduce the timescale. But when it talks about increasing the scope, if you want the project to do more things and have more things included, it is probably going to increase the timescale. So the correct answers here are A and B.